Alright guys, I've got the Gatorade bottle. We're going to do a how not to stall video, or how to reduce your stalls greatly. And why do people stall? People stall because they don't understand how long they should hold on to their clutch. Alright? And the problem is people don't allow their car to roll long enough before letting the clutch out. So what I've done here is I've drawn some markings here, divided this bottle cap up into quarters. Okay, you can do this if you don't have a car, if you're gonna be buying a new car, if you're gonna be getting some lessons, whatever it is. All you need is something around, a soup can, whatever, something you can roll and draw on, of course. And here are the markings: 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, the 1 has a little dot next to it, and that is going to mean when this goes fully around, that is 1 full rotation. Okay, so this is your wheel and tire, your wheel and tire. Okay, just pretend you're looking at it from the side. So look, this is how people stall. They don't allow their car to roll a full rotation before letting the clutch out. They really mistake little movements with rolling, and they don't allow the car to build up momentum. So watch this. Instead of allowing the wheel and tire to roll 1 full rotation, watch where I'm letting the clutch out. Clutch out, stall. Clutch out, stall. Clutch out, stall. Clutch out, stall. Right? How many stalls I can do before the tire even rotates 1 full rotation? That is what happens. People so easily get confused how quickly they should let their clutch out, or how long they should hold on to the clutch. What you should be doing is, let's bring this back to 1. You need to allow this wheel and tire to rotate 1 full rotation at least while you're holding on to the clutch at the bite point. Let the car roll. So look how long that is. All right, clutch out. The car won't stall. It's built up some momentum. All right, but ideally, when you're learning, what you're going to do is you're going to count 3 rotations or 3 seconds. Usually it's 3 seconds. So look, 1, you're still holding on to the clutch. 2, you're still holding on to the clutch. Now the car's picking up some speed. 3, you're still holding on to the clutch. Now you let out the clutch, and the car rolls away on its own, and it doesn't want to stall on you because it does have some momentum. All right, now you get a little bit more confident. You're feeling pretty good with the count of 3 rotations. So what do? You're going to try it on 2. All right, so 1, 2, clutch out. All right, then you're getting even a little more confident. You're feeling pretty good. All right, now you're going to try 1. All right, so you're holding that clutch, you're holding it. 1, clutch out. All right, and there's a video of this talking about how to hold the car, how to hold the clutch in seconds. but I don't think I don't think a lot of people watched it. So I hope this makes sense to you. How to reduce your stalls by holding onto that clutch at the bite point until the wheel actually rolls, not until it just jerks forward, goes halfway. It actually has to start fully rolling. All right. Now, what is the other issue? People have trouble going up hills, okay? And what's the issue with hills? Gravity is fighting you. It's not allowing your car to pick up that momentum. So again, people stall because guess what? They don't hold their clutch long enough for the car to actually roll. They let out their clutch. Look, watch this. Car starts to just move a little bit, clutch out, stall, roll backward on a hill. Move a little bit more, clutch out, stall, roll back, restart the car, right? You need to hold that clutch at the bite point, get the car rolling, 1 full rotation, maybe 2 full rotations. If it's really steep hill, like it's not uncommon to hold that clutch for even longer, 3 full rotations, right? And then clutch out. So this is just how you drive a stick shift. You have to hold the clutch at the bite point, let the car roll. Once it's rolling, then clutch out. Not when it's just jerking around, clutch out, then you stall. All right? So just tell yourself that when the car rolls, 1, 2, 3, clutch out. And you should really help reduce your stalls. All right.